Hello everybody, welcome back to hardreset.info channel. In today's video, I will show you how to easily fix the ghost touch problem on your Motorola Moto G31. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the screen protector or case. Basically, whenever a screen protector is poorly applied, then you should remove it whenever it's sticking out of the edges of the screen. So it's just touching the side of your phone, then you should remove it. Now, moving on to the case. If your case is made in a bad quality or it's just misaligned with the phone and it was made, let's say, from the bad dummy phone, then it can cause some issues. So you should remove it and see if that fixes the difference. Fixes the ghost touch problem and makes any difference. Now, what you guys can do is clean the screen to remove any debris or moisture that may be on it. So grab a microfiber cloth just like me. And as you guys can see here, we're gonna give it a few swipes and it should be okay. Don't go too hard on the device. What you guys want to do is basically clean it. Now, after that, what you guys can do is go over to the settings and then scroll a bit down until you guys see the system updates. You want to make sure that you're running the latest version of your update the software, because whenever you're using the old version, then you may have a lot of glitches on your device. So updating your software is the only key to actually having no glitches on your phone, because as far as there are updates for the device and you can update yours, then basically you get rid of any glitches that were from the previous version. So click on check for updates, and as you guys can see, I'm running the latest software for this phone. So you should too. If you have any updates available, then make sure you do them. And that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.